Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, April 19th, 2013, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, we had the worst week in 2013 this week, and it is mercifully over. The market today got some kind of mixed bag news in terms of corporate earnings. GE was up, or GE fell out of bed about 4%, but Honeywell went up about 3%. So it was kind of nobody could quite make much sense out of it. The Dow Jones Industrial Average ended up 10 points, but it had started out much worse than that earlier in the day, and it basically rallied all day and finally ended up positive. We had kind of a mixed bag too. We closed out actually $358 of profit. Wow. And we are holding about $238 in positive trade, open trade equity. Wow again. You know, this is kind of a rough period for us, but we're system traders, and we learn we just have to get through this, and we're not getting killed, and that's the important thing. You know, we're just hanging in there, taking our trades every day and waiting for the big one. So let's take a look at those charts. Okay, this is the Dow Jones Industrial Average that we're looking at, and you can see everything's been sliding down like a you know, just like a ski jump going down. And we get down here, and today was started out more of the same, but then it started building, and it ended up positive 10. And I think this overall market is putting in some kind of a bottom. It wouldn't surprise me at all if we saw a big move up starting Monday. Anyway, I want to show you a little bit here. It's a frustrating time, and you know, we're systems traders, and it's tough to be system traders. It would be easy to be a system trader if every time you did something according to your system, it did it right. But this is our trade in GOL, which we got into yesterday, and it curved around here. It was up first, and then it comes down, and we get out almost on the low of the day. We still made $1,600 on that, but look at this. This would have added about $2,000 to that trade, and we weren't in. You know, when you trade a system, you just have to do it. And I'll show you another frustrating system trade here. This is in SQNM, and this, you know, yesterday had pretty wide trading range, and so we didn't just jump on this. Last 15 minutes a day, we jump into this thing right up here, almost at the top, and then it immediately pulls back and closes there. So it's closed about $400 against us. That looks scary. That looks, looking at that chart now, looks like a scary place to buy. But you know, we're systems traders, and you don't know what's going to happen on Monday. This thing could gap way up, or it could turn around, go against us, and stop us out. That's the way it is, but we don't know right now. We have a lot of tremendous trades that close against us that ended up making a huge amount of money. Back in January, we made nearly $35,000 in Netflix. And that trade, that $35,000 trade, closed against us on the day we got in. So we just hope. That's all you can do. Anyway, this is Trader Bob. It's been a rough week. Let's hope we have a better week next week. We'll see you on Monday.